Record. So what are we doing today? Today's lesson is called Evaluating Functions. Another title is called direct substitution. I don't know why but that's the caliber. It's called direct substitution. Maybe it kind of relates to what we're going to learn later. But evaluating functions, okay? All right, so let's do this example. Given h of x equals 4x minus 5. Okay, h of x equals 4x minus 5. This is the function, okay? What's the point of a function? It means you plug in a number and it'll turn something else out. So h is the function. H does some stuff to x and it will give you y. It'll give you another number. So what's the question exactly? Find h of 2. Well, what does that mean? That means do the function to 2. H of 2. H is not a variable. H is not a missing number that we need to find. H is a symbol representing do the process to 2. And what is the process? It's multiply by 4 minus 5. Hi. Hi, this is Thomas. He's not here yet. He'll probably come a little later. 8 p.m. No problem. All right, so how do we do h of 2? Wait, how do we do h to 2? Just replace x with 2 and evaluate. 4 times 2 is 8, minus 5 is 3. So the answer is 3, y'all. Simple as that. So evaluate the function. Evaluate means calculate. Function means that h of x business. And maybe in algebra you learned that's a different notation. Same thing as y, but it's a different way to look at it. All right, it's so simple. Oh my God. All right, given f of x, see, they stuck to f this time, f for function, is negative x minus 2. Well, it's saying find negative 6. So what do we do? How do we do f of negative 6? Well, we directly substitute negative 6 for x. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And let me redo that, honestly. You know what I mean? You know what I'm sorry. You're right. All I'm going to do here is rewrite the function, and I'm going to put parentheses around just the x. So then, now let's substitute x with negative 6. So what does that mean? It means erase x, erase this x, and write negative 6. Yeah, because if there's already a negative next to the x, and the number you're plugging in is negative, there's going to be 2 double negatives that cancel out. So what we got here is 6 minus 2. Answer is 4. It's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to do the extra step and rewrite the function just to kind of explain it a little better. I'm going to rewrite it. Y'all don't have to do this, but at least. But yeah, see, in this second one, that x has a squared and it has a negative in front. So I like the idea of just rewriting it just to show y'all with parentheses around the x, just to isolate, focus in on where we're substituting. So we're trying to find f of 9. We're trying to do the function to 9. We're trying to change 9. That's what f of 9 means. So we're just going to erase the x. And there's 2 x's in the function. I erased the x. Just kept everything the same. And I'm going to plug in 9. Okay, now that we have a number, nothing but numbers, we can evaluate, we can calculate. But we got to probably follow the order of operations. 9 squared. Negative 9 squared. What do we do first? Square. PEMDAS. Square before you multiply. Whoa. So negative 81 plus 9 plus 13. What is that? I feel like doing my head. No, I don't. Calculator. Yes. So negative 59 is the answer. All right, one more, y'all. The function is f of 2x squared plus 8x. So if we... So let's just plug in -1. So what does that mean on the right side? Just replace all the x's with -1. Yes. Square first, of course. What's -1 squared? It's 1. 8 times -1 is -1. So I think the answer is -6, y'all. Cool stuff. Functions. Go functions. The -1 squared. -1 times -1 becomes +1. And then 2 times +1, 2. And then on the right side, -8. So plus -8 is just minus. Yeah, functions. Yeah, seems easy. Yeah. And you want to bring me a coffee?
Coffee?
Yeah.